All right, so the first thing we're going to be talking about, fractions can be interpreted, so they are, division. So what that means is if you see a fraction bar, it is the same thing as a division symbol. All right, and it's not a coincidence that when you put it together, it looks like the numerator and denominator of a fraction. So let's look at some examples. So what this means is if you have 3 candy bars, and a lot of this will be word problem, and you're going to divide it evenly among 4 friends. Yes, I use mathematician shorthand. Then you're going to have 3 divided by 4. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. So if you have, that would be, sorry about that, that would be 3 divided by 4. This number is smaller. We did learn how to add a decimal and divide, but we don't have to because it is the same thing as 3 over 4. Right? So something to remember is numerators on top, denominators on bottom. The numerator goes inside, the denominator goes outside. And if it's a like this, you would say numerator divided by denominator. And one thing that I teach my students is you can just put a slash right here, and it turns it into a fraction, 3/4. Could I go ahead and solve this? Yeah, it goes in 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. Subtracting it 3, well, we put our remainder over our divisor. So it's still 3/4. But you do not have to work it out. Just put the slash because fractions are division. Okay. The other situation would be if you have 4 candy bars and you're dividing it among 3 friends. Now we have 4 divided by 3. Again, I can actually just go ahead and say, oh, well, that is 4/3. What kind of fraction is it? Improper. So you're going to throw it in the bracket. 4 divided by 3 goes 1 time. Subtract, and you get 1 over 3. All right, so in a nutshell, that is fractions are division, and this is something that would be helpful knowing fractions are division. Have a good day.